Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about how to pair Ejeas V7 with Ejeas V6. So process is very simple. So let's get it started. So I have these two devices. This is V6 and this is V6. This is V7. So if you want to pair, say rider E with the V6 rider E, so press E button for few seconds, so it will start blinking. So this is now in pairing mode. Do the same with the V6 device as well. Now both are in pairing mode. Okay, so let's press E button on my primary V7 device. So now this will find my V6 device, and once both are paired, the light will be in sync and the color of the light will change to blue. So now if you see, both the devices are on blue color and both are steadily blinking. So this signifies that both the devices are now synced. So let's check it. I'll keep this camera or my mobile at the receiver or the speaker of my V6 device, and let's try to talk. Hello, 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 hello. This voice you are hearing from the V7 helmet. Yeah, that's it guys. So this is how you can easily pair. And for example, now when you go or when you stop at the brake, and if you switch off your devices, say like this, and now when you want to pair back with the primary rider, and when you switch on the device, it won't automatically connect the rider. So as we had paired both the devices on the slot E, you just need to press the slot E from the primary device. Now it will find the paired device and then connect it. So this way you can connect back. And if at all while riding you get a call from someone, temporarily the connection will be disconnected, and once the call is over, the connection would be automatically done with the primary device. That's it guys. Thanks for watching, and let me know if this video was helpful for you, and do give a thumbs up and like. Thank you.